from Group 1 and we will introduce our group. My name is Akila Naila Fauzia.
My name is Anissa Nurlafiah.
My name is Ahmad Septiansyah.
My name is Anissa Safira.
And my name is Arika Zara Naila.
In this video, we will make an anatomical study reference. And so stay tuned in the next video.
Definition of anatomy. Anatomy is study of the structure of the human body, derived from the Greek ane, which means up or up, and tomos, which means cutting or slicking. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the body human into smaller parts to the smallest part by cutting or slicking the body human, then lifted, studied, and examined using a microscope. Anatomical position. Anatomical position is a standard reference orientation of the human body used to describe each part or region of the body in a specific position. The standard anatomical position is when the body is standing upright, facing forward, with the feet together and pointing forward, and no long banners corrected from the viewpoint of the observer. In the anatomical position, the upper limbs are at the sides of the body with the palms facing forward and the mouth closed with a natural facial expression.
Anatomy field. The first, the sagittal plane or paramedian plane. Any imaginary plane parallel to the median plane divides the body into the left and right halves, parallel to the sagittal sinus. The sagittal plane is a vertical plane that runs from the anterior to the posterior aspect of the body. And the second, the frontal plane, is an imaginary plane that is perpendicular to the median plane and divides the body into front, anterior, and the back posterior parts. And the third, transverse plane or axial planes, is an imaginary plane perpendicular to the median planes, which divides the body into top and bottom, divides the body into cranial and caudal, head and tail section, located transversally through the body, X into Y plane, and separates the upper, superior, and lower inferior parts of the body.
Axial and axis. The axial skeleton is one of the two main parts of the human skeleton, consisting of 80 bones that line up along the vertical axis of the body. The bones included in the axial skeleton are the skull, which consists of 22 bones, including 8 head bones, 14 facial bones, and 3 parts of hearing bones. Hearing bones of the middle ear, hyoid bone, ribcage, sternum, the spine, which supports the neck to the buttocks. Axis 1. Longitudinal axis. The long axis of the body that corresponds to the long axis of the bones that run vertically when the body is in an upright position. 2. Transverse axis. An axis that runs perpendicular to the longitudinal axis and runs from left to right. 3. Sagittal axis. The axis that runs from the back front surface of the body and is perpendicular to the other two axes.
Direction of movement. The movement of a limb or the movement of a joint is referred to based on its direction or position with respect to the body or joint axis. A. Flexion is bending. B. Extension is to extend. C. Abduction away from the body. D. Education toward the body. E. Rotation is toward the outside of the occultation and toward the inside of the gender rotation. F. Circular movement or circumferential movement. Supination movement of the forearm with the palm pointing forward or up. G. Pronation is rotational movement of the forearm with the back of the hand pointing forwards or upward. H. Elyphasia, an upward movement of the head. I. Depressia, the counter of elyphasia. J. Retrosia. K. Retrusia. L. Inversia is lifting the medial edge of the foot upward. M. Eversion, lifting the lateral edge of the foot upwards.
Region of the abdomen. The abdomen can be divided into 4 quadrant and 9 region. The deficit is also for reference to determine the location organ and explain the location of pain and the presence of tumor. 4 quadrant section, right upper quadrant. Right lobate of Harper, gallbladder, pylorus, duodenum, head of parenchyma, heparin, flag of colon, part the pharynx, and ascendis colons. Upper left quadrant, left to be of herpes stomach, body of the pharynx, flexure of the colon. Part of the transverse and dressing color, lower right quadrant, cancum and appendix. Part of extended color, lower left the quadrant. Sigmoid color, part dressing color, neck region of the abdomen. Right and left hypohydrium, epigastrium, right and left lumbar, and umbilical, right and left inguinal hypogastrium.
Okay, that's all from our video.
Thank you for enjoy.
And as we say, wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.